Hello, this is Traders Union. Today we have prepared a review of the broker Strifor and will take a detailed look at its trading conditions, advantages, disadvantages, and key features. Strifor is an international broker providing access to Forex and CFD trading. Clients can trade currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, stocks, indices, and metals. Trading is conducted through the popular MetaTrader 5 platform, which is suitable for both beginner traders and experienced market participants. The company is registered in Mauritius and regulated by the Financial Services Commission. However, it is important to note that this jurisdiction is considered a more lenient regulator compared to European or UK supervisory authorities. According to Traders Union's evaluation, Strifor received an overall score of 7.17 out of 10. The rating is based on more than 250 criteria, including trading conditions, commission levels, reliability, quality of support, and client reviews. The minimum deposit with the broker starts from $0, making entry accessible to a wide range of traders. Leverage can reach up to 1/500 depending on the account type. Spreads vary based on the selected tariff plan and market conditions. The broker also supports various deposit and withdrawal methods, including cryptocurrency transactions. Among Strifor's advantages are a wide range of trading instruments, the use of the MetaTrader 5 platform, a low entry threshold, and flexible trading conditions. The disadvantages include Tier 3 regulation, the absence of a client compensation fund, and the need to carefully review commission and fee terms. Overall, reviews of the broker are mixed. Some traders highlight the convenience of the platform and competitive conditions, while others point out the risks associated with offshore registration. In conclusion, Strifor may suit traders who are looking for accessible entry conditions and trading via MT5. However, when choosing a broker, it is important to consider the level of regulation and follow proper risk management practices. Thank you for being with us. Click the bell icon and subscribe to learn more reviews of the most popular brokers. We wish you success and well-balanced trading decisions.